This brushless electric pressure washer from Powerhorse lets you clean like a pro with greater power and flexibility, but without fumes or spills. Adjust your cleaning power without reducing flow rate with the digital controller, which allows you to make pressure adjustments at 1,300 PSI, 1,600 PSI, 1,900 PSI, and 2,200 PSI. Get superior performance and durability with the 13-amp brushless electric motor that powers the washer to deliver 1.3 GPM. The washer comes with everything you need, including a professional spray gun with steel lance, rubber hose, and 5 1/4-inch brass quick connect nozzles. Easily transport the washer in its rugged aluminum roll cage frame on the never flat wheels. When you're done working, just fold the handle for space-saving storage. Clean like a pro with greater power and flexibility without fumes or spills with this brushless electric pressure washer from Powerhorse.